So it looks like I'm not going to be Mrs. Martin, the cute attorney. Hiya, Huns. So your favorite cousin had a couple of dates with Martin, the cute attorney. He took me to 2 very nice restaurants and to listen to some jazz afterward. And I have to say they were 2 of the best dates I've had in a very long time. I was feeling really good about the whole thing. However, we came back to my place after the second date and he happened to notice my teddy bear. He casually asked me how I feel about furries. I told him I had no idea what he was talking about. And if you have no idea what he's talking about, just Google it. He explained to me what it was, and he further told me that he is one. Basically, he likes to dress up like a squirrel who lives in his yard and whom he's named Sebastian. And he even goes to conventions dressed as this squirrel. I hate to say it, but it kind of killed the mood for me, especially after he showed me a picture. He's a really nice guy, and there are no hard feelings. So I made this cocktail in honor of Sebastian. All you do is add 1 ounce of Frangelico, 1/2 ounce dry curacao, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice to your wine glass with ice, and fill with your favorite dry bread. I think Sebastian would really like it. He's a nice guy, and he's gonna help me get the money that I'm owed from my ex-hubby Reginald, but I think that's gonna be it for now. So anyway, that's it. The Velveteens will be back on Thursday with another Liquored Up Live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.